What if I told you you could get a job managing a database in the cloud without having to write one line of code? If that sounds exciting at all, then Salesforce could be right for you. With average salaries around $95,000 per year, and by 2022 an estimated 3.3 million new jobs in the Salesforce ecosystem alone, then this could be a great career path for you. Now to have your attention, my name is Andy, and I'm one of the wonderful instructors up here at ACC's Continuing Education Program, and I'll be helping you learn more about Salesforce, as well as ultimately leading to you getting your first Salesforce admin certification. So what is Salesforce? Well, Salesforce is a cloud-based database that helps bring customers and businesses together. And what our class will teach you is how to become a Salesforce administrator. An administrator is someone that builds and maintains applications on the Salesforce platform using mouse clicks instead of code. With 2 classes spread out over 11 short weeks, to register or get more information, please go here. I look forward to seeing you there.